Welcome to the Nevis Newscast for Tuesday, May 10th, 2022. I am Fredicia Liebert. Members of the Bath Village community are being congratulated for their hosting of the first Bath Village Community Festival. The commendations come from Permanent Secretary John Hanley, who says the festival was a follow-up to training in community-based tourism, from which a number of residents of Bath Village have benefited.
And we have about 6 vendors today, and they have been very enthusiastic, and they brought us some very good stuff. Goat water, bullfoot soup, potato pudding, coconut tarts, jerk chicken. It was a wide variety of very good stuff. And we have our grill man, Ramona, who is cooking up a storm. So in terms of the vendors, they did a very good job in terms of what they were able to offer. However, we wish that more persons from the Bath community would have come out to support, because this is an event about the Bath community. We are very grateful for those who did show up, but if we have something like this again, we certainly would crave the support of more persons in the community where the festival is based.
Hanley says the ministry, which partnered with the community to bring the festival to fruition, is confident Bath Village is one of the places on Nevis that can thrive on community-based tourism.
You have Bath Hotel, Bath Stream, Fort Charles, Gallows Bay, Bath Stream, the government house. So we have a wide variety of places that people can see. Plus we have very rich cuisine in the area. A lot of persons are bakers, a lot of persons are very good at cooking, people like Black Hat and so on. So it's a very rich area that can really thrive very solidly on community-based tourism. But in order for us to succeed, the community has to meet us halfway. We have to feel the enthusiasm of the Bath community. The Ministry of Tourism is there, ready and willing to work, and we will continue to do everything in our power to make sure that this works.
The first Bath Village Community Festival was held on Saturday, May 7th at historic Fort Charles. The Nevis Island Administration is pledging its commitment to working with all stakeholders to secure an ideal occupational safety and health system for the people of Nevis. Minister of Labour, the Honourable Spencer Brand, says the culture of preventative occupational safety and health can be enhanced through social dialogue, active participation, training and education with the right policies, programs, legislation and regulations.
In addition, our construction sector has been buoyant, even during the pandemic, and attention must continue to be paid to occupational safety and health. The wearing of appropriate gear, clothing and shoes, practicing appropriate safety and health methods for workers, disposal of construction waste, and the provision of good working and safe tools, to name a few. This is one of the reasons for passing the Construction Registration and Regulation Ordinance late last year in the Nevis Island Assembly. When the provisions of this ordinance are implemented, some of these OSH measures would be monitored by the Construction Commissioner. Moreover, Nevis has a growing ferry and water taxi service, and great attention must be paid to ensure that our ferries and water taxis are safe and healthy for crew and passengers alike. That the captains and crew practice good OSH measures while plying their trade for themselves and for transporting passengers between St. Kitts and Nevis.
Occupational safety and health in workplaces and elsewhere means changing human behavior to embrace safety in everything we do, Minister Brand explains.
On the island of Nevis, we have truckers and other road users who are driving on our roads at high speeds that are not necessary. These truckers must ensure that their brakes and other essential mechanical systems are working well. They must be respectful on the road and cover their trucks when carrying materials and other items that can become a hazard for other road users, both pedestrians and motorists alike. Let us work together to uphold the laws that call us to conduct ourselves in a particular way for the good of others and for ourselves. It is important to note that occupational safety and health issues are ongoing. There will always be new and emerging risks in the work environment. Therefore, together we will have to continue to improve our OHS system as things unfold. Let us also be vigilant. Let's talk and collaborate and communicate actively to continue to build a positive safety and health culture.
Minister of Labour, the Honourable Spencer Brand. Still to come, registration open for the Culturama 48 Art, Crafts and Food Fair. The details right after this break.
Have you signed up for the Nevis Water Department's new ePay platform? It's an easy, safe and secure process. Here's how to sign up. Have your water bill handy and log on to epay.neviswaterdepartment.com using your mobile phone, tablet or desktop, and the rest of the process is easy to follow. It can also be accessed by going to our website at www.neviswaterdepartment.com and clicking on Pay Your Bill. Once you have completed the process and your account is activated, the app allows you to make payments directly to Nevis Water Department, get access to your account balance, have access to your payment history, and interact with our customer service department through the help desk feature. Yes, it's that simple. So don't wait. Sign up all of your accounts today. And remember, we at the Nevis Water Department are here to bring you, our valued customers, exceptional service.
Welcome back. 30 supervisors assigned to the Skills Training Empowerment Program STEP completed 10 weeks of supervisory training and received their certificates during a ceremony held at the Solid Waste Management Corporation Conference Room in St. Kitts on Thursday, May 5th, 2022. Permanent Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister, Osbert de Souza, said training like these build strong relationships not only between supervisors but between supervisors and the persons who they supervise. De Souza reminded the STEP workers that their contribution to the Federation is greatly appreciated. Emil Green, Director of STEP, said the training was designed to boost supervisors' efficiency. The training sessions were carried out by various presenters within STEP to bolster productivity and promote safer and healthier work environments. They covered topics such as effective communication, teamwork, and team-building exercises, decision-making, as well as proper staff and equipment management. Registration for the Culturama 48 Art, Crafts and Food Fair is currently open. So says Executive Director of the Culturama Secretariat, Antonio Abernathy-Liburd.
We are having some 45 booths, and so if you want a space in the Culturama 48 Art, Craft and Food Fair, please hurry to the Culturama Secretariat and make your booking. Limited spaces, only 45 booths will be accommodating. The price per booth has not changed, so whatever you paid in 2019, the price remains the same. There are different categories, whether you are a tray vendor, you're a drink vendor, you're a food vendor, or you are a food and beverage vendor, depending on what type of vending you'll be doing. It would attract a different cost. I think that the cost for the full operation, food and drink, is $350. It has not changed. And so hurry to the Culturama Secretariat and make your booking and reserve your spot for the Culturama 48 Art, Craft and Food Fair.
Interested persons are asked to visit the Nevis Culturama Secretariat at the Cotton Ginnery Mall in Charlestown or call them at 469-1992. That's it for this edition of the Nevis Newscast. On behalf of all of us here at the Department of Information, I'm Fredicia Liburd. Thank you for viewing.